Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to save projects in the WiseCut and explain how saving actually works. First, open the WiseCut application on your desktop and also make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once logged in, you can just open any project from the recent project section. This will redirect you to the clip section where each clip has a scissor-like icon. Tap on it. It will redirect you to the editor page. In WiseCut, there is no manual save button as your project is automatically saved when you edit the video chords, subtitles, background music, and audio enhancement. As long as you are logged in and connected to the internet, WiseCut keeps saving your progress in the real time. Inside the editor, you can just make changes within the subtitles by changing their font color or make enhancement with the musics and media volumes, as well as you can toggle the enhancer turn on and off based on your requirement, as you don't need to click anything to save. When you are done with editing, you can just simply close the editor and go back to the home page, and you can check the recent project section where the project will appear. You can just preview it by clicking them and see if the changes you have done prior has automatically saved or not. It is to know that the projects are saved to your Wise account, not your device, and that's how you can save your projects in the WiseCut. Remember that saving is automatic, just edit and WiseCut takes care of the rest. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video with more WiseCut tutorials.